Okay, it is starting to rain, so we gotta hurry. So I made this plastic thing, and so I'm just gonna put it on like that and feed the Mentos in the top, and then they should go down. Okay, I'll be right back when it's ready. Okay, it's ready. So let's put it in the mints. Okay. Okay, they're not quite there, so that's perfect. So they're not all the way going in. Once they're all fed in, we'll take it off. That wasn't the worst explosion, but I didn't get all of them in. That was a cool explosion though. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.